Hello everyone, it's Crystal. I hope everyone is having a good day today. It's a little late in the evening. I'm just getting to my paper pumpkin. I had a busy day. As you may remember, I'm packing and purging and house hunting and all that, so it's been hectic around here. I hope everyone is enjoying their day. This is the May 2021 paper pumpkin. As you know, I get 2 every month. And just to give you an update for April, my 4th package was sent to me separately. There was underneath the plastic is the address label. And for one of my packages for April, it had 2 address labels in there. So that's why one of my packages was missing. But as I do every month, I buy 2 packages, one to keep and one to bless someone with. So here is May. Let's get this package open. Some bubble gum, double bubble. I remember this from when I was a little girl. So we have 3 pieces of that. We have, our color is Night of Navy. And we have our stamps here. Let's see, Ever, Grandpa, Dad, Son, Uncle, Friend, Brother, You're the greatest of all time. You're the best. All-star. There's a baseball bat, and then there's a baseball cap. And this is a sneak peek for the June kit. I'm thinking about getting 3 of these. I really like this watercolor effect. Still on the fence, but I have until June 10th to decide. So, still thinking about it. And we have our package here in tissue paper. Save the tissue paper for a gift. Let's see. So this is called Batter Up Paper Pumpkin Kit, and we can do 9 cards, 3 of each design. So let's see what is in our packet. Once again, here is our cover sheet, and then we have instructions in color. They're usually in black and white, so that's pretty nice. Nice change. And we have some alternate projects and coordinating colors. Bumblebee, Night of Navy, which is our ink spot here. Pacific Point, Real Red, Smoky Slate, Soft Suede, and White. So those are our coordinating colors. We have our chipboard here. I use that for shipping. And let's see here. These are our card bases. Nice and bright. This is the first set. There's 3 of those. So you can do a card like this or a card like that. Then we have the wood grain. Makes you think of a baseball bat. That's the second card base. And then we have our stripes. Yes, if you're a Yankee fan, here's some pinstripes. And there are 3 of those. We have some glue dots. We have those every month. We have some little labels we can stamp on. There are 10 of those. Then we have some enamel dots. These are nice. These are the Real Red and the Bumblebee. There are 25 of each color. That's cool. And here are some punch outs. All-Star, You're in a League of Your Own. There's a baseball Oh, here's home plate. It's 1, 2, 3 of those, so that's plenty. We have some twine here. Some white twine. And then we have some Stampin' Dimensionals, a nice sheet of that. And here are our envelopes. See, they are all the same. So they have this blue stripe, and we have 9 envelopes. So that is our paper pumpkin kit for May 2021. Let me know if you have this kit, what you plan to make with it. I think I am going to incorporate some of the stamps into some of my Father's Day cards. But let me know, and happy crafting.